It's the other side of the creek. We crossed the culvert. Again, we mow all down in there. There's the broke down tractor out on its little island. Hopefully won't get washed away. And then there's the creek. Wow. In all my years, I've never seen her this high.
Here comes a limb.
And that's what can screw up the culvert.
Yep.
Oh wow. Alright. Well again, all my years I've never seen her this high. So this is historical high for us. I hope that branch makes it through the culvert.
That's not even the big one.
Oh, I know. Alright, well, this could block the culvert. Bye. We pray we live.